So I'm back. We just mount a our inverter here. So we're gonna try to put back the screen. So let's get the screen here first. This is the screen. All right. And this is the inverter. I mean the LED driver. So we're gonna mount like this. So what we do is that if we mount like this, so I'm gonna do it like this. Okay. So let me do it this way. Okay, see, like this. Okay, we're gonna mount first, then we're gonna okay, alright. Then we're gonna set it face down. We had to put the screen wire on it. Okay, so set face down. Now we need to mount the screen wires, which is right here. Okay, it's really short. Oops, sorry, the space is really limited. Okay, we're gonna mount it just exactly like this. I took me away the five glass. Okay, after you mount it, you're gonna put the tip here just to secure. I don't want to lose it connection, and I want to put one more new tips to this connector. Just make sure that it won't lose. So we put it back. There we go. So you just put it back like this. Well, I think we should put it back the touchscreen before we put back the screen, because as I showed you before, it's a little bit tricky to put a touchscreen on it. See this one. Okay, let me get a touchscreen here first. Alright, now this wires are quite long, so we don't have any problem with that. This is it. Okay, this one push out. Okay, so we're gonna put it like this. Yep, just push the latch. Perfect. We're gonna put it back like this. Okay, all right. It's a little bit tricky, so I want to. Okay. Now go the right directions. Okay. What happened? I'm gonna make some adjustments here. Here you go. You had to align the screw hole. Okay, we put the screw back on this side first. Okay. I haven't tightened it up yet, but just want to make sure that the screw hole aligns. Oops. Oops. And one more. Let me tie it up. This side. The screen is a little bit bigger, so that's why the videos may not be really, you may not be able to see the close look. Okay. So next thing, I need to clean up this, then we can put it back the touchscreen. Hello, I just finished cleaning, and let's put back the touchscreen. Just one more thing I want to mention is that make sure the ribbon cable goes inside of the metal film, not outside, inside the metal film. So let's put it back like this. Okay, the ribbon cable is kind of long, so what you need to do is just stick all the way in. Yeah, just stick to it, or you can do it like this. It's a little bit tricky. Just stick all the way in, so that way. I see there's still a little bit dirty here. Yeah, that's good. Okay, so stick all the way in. Now we can put it back the side, and then let me move to this side. The weaving cable is very important. I want to show you like this. Oops, show you like this. Stick all the way, because you don't want to bend it or damage it. So yep. After you stick it in, basically you just push the touchscreen in. Just push all the way in. Oops. And you see this? It's all the way in. Then you put the back cover back. Okay. And then you just put the additional screw for one on each side, and that's it. Thank you for watching.